Welcome to my channel, Nanny Quiz. Today, we're playing your favorite game, Choose Your Gift Box. Are you excited? Well, you should be because it's gonna be fun. But hey, quick shout out, comment superstar alert. We are pinning the best comment of the day. So keep those comments coming and you might be in the spotlight next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun, more quizzes and even more challenges you love. Alright, let the fun begin.
Choose your bedroom. Cozy cottage vibes or luxury glam? Choose your parlor flowers. Fresh bouquet or wild garden mix? Choose your heels. Sparkly sleigh or bold and fierce? Choose your school bag. Trendy, classic or mega cute? Choose your house. Dreamy mansion or cozy cabin? Choose your donuts. Frosted, filled or extra sprinkles? Choose your umbrella. Cute pop color or sleek and classy? Choose your ice cream. Triple swirl or cookie crunch? Choose your toilet. Royal throne or modern chic? Choose your watch. Timeless piece or digital swag? Choose your cupcake. Chocolate drizzle or fruity swirl? Choose your handbag. Fashion queen or minimalist luxe? Choose your hat. Classic cool or fun and funky? Choose your wardrobe. Streetwear drip or elegant flow? Choose your helicopter. Sky luxury or stealth vibes? Choose your gate. Grand entrance or secret garden style? Choose your stairs. Spiral elegance or modern steps? Choose your cottage, hidden retreat or fairy tale fields. Choose your hair color, bold, pastel, or natural glow. Choose your water bottle, trendy flask or EcoFab. Choose your pillow, cloud soft or memory foam magic. Choose your private jet, silver wings or gold luxury. Choose your wallet, sleek leather or sparkly chic. Choose your popcorn, classic butter or rainbow crunch. Choose your hair clips, glitter glam or soft pastels. Choose your bed, floating frame or royal headboard. Choose your chair, comfy plush or modern minimal. Choose your nails, glossy glam or fierce patterns.
Perfect pal. Choose your cat, fluffy or sleek. You like it? Smash that like. Drop a comment below. Share it with your bestie and don't forget to subscribe.